Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn German from Hindi and English. And as you can see, today's topic is at the computer. So today we are going to see some objects and some vocabulary related to computer. So in English we generally say it I'm computer because we are just sitting next to or in front of computer. We never say also in English we are sitting on the computer. No, it's wrong, right? We are sitting at the computer because you sit in the front of the table, and the laptop or the computer is on the table. So we use at the computer means am computer na an dem computer. All right friends, so here in this picture we can see, we will start from the top. We can see some objects and related to computer. So first one is der Bildschirm. Der Bildschirm means the monitor. Yes, the monitor in which you can see the that is the screen area where you can see the objects or the things that come in the computer. Okay, that is a visual part. Then we have der Lautsprecher. Der Lautsprecher, the loudspeaker, right, from where you can hear the music. Then we have the Taster, the Taster, the keys, from where you can enter the data or insert your data. Then we have the Tastatur, the Tastatur. The Tastatur means the keyboard, right? Then we have das Kabel, the cable. Yes, as you can see, the cable that is connected with the mouse. Yes, and then the mouse is connected to the keyboard. Then we have the mouse, the DVD, the DVD, the DVD, the DVD. Then on the right hand side we have the Drucker, the printer, das Papier, the paper. And next to that we have their computer, their PC, their computer, their PC, the computer. So in German also we say computer, and it is a masculine noun, nomen, their computer. So guys, this is related to the vocabulary of computer, and this is something we generally see in A1 level. It could go higher for the higher levels, but for A1 you can learn these basic computer related objects and accessories. Not exactly accessories, but the things that are mostly associated with computer. Okay, so here I have mentioned 13 Dreisine verbs which are again related to computer. So the topic is bitte bilden Sie viele Sätze. Bitte bilden Sie viele Sätze. Please make many sentences. Yeah, please make many sentences by using these 13 verbs. So let's see each of them. So first one is a speichern. Speichern, to save. Yes, to save, as in you can save your mails or your text or anything in a computer you can save. So for that you can use this verb speichern. Then we have kopieren. Kopieren means to copy. Yes, when you do copy paste. Yes, then it's the verb is kopieren. Einschalten. Einschalten means to turn on, right? To turn on the computer, no? Bitte einschalten. Löschen. Löschen, to delete. Again, to delete anything, to delete any folder or to delete the mails, text, you can use the verb löschen. Ausdrucken. Ausdrucken means to print out something. Yeah, drucken is also same like ausdrucken, just to take the print out. Ausschneiden. Ausschneiden, to cut out. If you want to cut some text or a paragraph, then you use this verb ausschneiden. And schneiden, as you can see in this verb, schneiden separately means to cut, to cut. Or you can use also, if you want to say to cut the vegetables, then we use generally schneiden. Yes, the Gemüse schneiden, yes, to cut the vegetables. And here it is ausschneiden. Then number 7, we have weiterleiten. Weiterleiten is to forward the meals. Weiterleiten. Number 8, einfügen, to insert. Again, einfügen means when you insert the cursor, then you can insert the text. Yes, so inserting the text means einfügen. Yes, you can insert image also, that is also einfügen. Yes, for that you can use paste. I think so that would be better, to paste the image. Then we have senden, to send the emails, right? Senden. Ausschalten is to turn off the computer. And number 3, Nummer 3 und Nummer 10 sind Gegenteil. Number 3 and number 10 are opposite words. Einschalten is to turn on the computer, and ausschalten means to turn off the computer. Yes, switch on and switch off. Number 11, schreiben, to write. Number 12, erhalten. Erhalten means to receive the emails, as in your Gmail inbox, or Yahoo, or any other platform you receive the emails, then you can use this verb erhalten, to receive. Then number 13, we have anschließen. Anschließen means to connect. Okay guys, these were the 13 verbs that are related to computer vocabulary. And here I have mentioned in total 8 sentences which uses these verbs. So one by one we'll see this. First, number 1 is man muss den Computer einschalten. Man muss den Computer einschalten means man must turn on the computer. Yes, man muss den Computer einschalten. Here you can see muss is a modal verb and einschalten is the infinitive verb. So whenever in a sentence we use a modal verb, then the infinitive verb always comes at the end, as you can see in this example. Number 2, soll ich den Computer ausschalten? Ja, und dann kommt eine Fragezeichen. Fragezeichen means question mark. Soll ich den Computer ausschalten? Yes. Should I turn off the computer? Should I turn off the computer? Should I switch off the computer? Yes, ausschalten. Number 3, bitte speichern Sie den Text. As you are saying to somebody, please save the text. Bitte speichern Sie den Text. Number 4, soll ich den E-Mail weiterleiten? Fragezeichen. Soll ich, yes, should I, soll ich den E-Mail weiterleiten? Should I forward the email? Should I forward that email? And question mark. Number 5, soll ich die E-Mail kopieren? Soll ich die E-Mail kopieren? Should I copy the email? Should I copy the email? Nummer 6, bitte senden Sie die E-Mail. Bitte senden Sie die E-Mail. Please send the email. The verb is senden. Bitte drucken Sie die E-Mail. Bitte drucken Sie die E-Mail. Please print the email. Nummer 8, man muss den Drucker einschalten. Man muss den Drucker einschalten. Man must turn on the printer. So guys, these are some of the examples that I have built with by using these 13 verbs. You can also use these verbs and make some meaningful sentences. These are just examples. You can use it any way, whatever way you want to use it. I hope that makes a sense, and this video will be helpful to you in understanding the vocabulary, the computer related vocabulary up to a certain extent. And if you have liked this video, then please give a thumbs up. Please like the video, share it, subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you always get updated, to get the update of my latest and the new video. And we will see you in the next segment, in the next video. Until then, cheers, bye.